Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Jason here. Today we're going over AMC, how I don't think AMC is over yet, and how other analysts are now coming out and saying the same thing. If you could, make sure you guys hit the like button below. Not only does it help out the channel and the video, but it also helps out more people learn about AMC. Also, remember guys, make sure you guys smack that sub button. Remember at 10K subs, we're also giving away some free AMC stocks over on the public app. Before we get into this, if you guys are wondering what I'm charting system using here, I'm using Webull. There's a link down in the description. If you guys want to get 2 free stocks worth of $1,800, also get these tier 2 NASDAQ views for 3 months for free. All you got to do is put in $100, sign up, ready to go. Starting out this morning in pre-market, we did start out around $12.15. We flushed down though, and then came up to about $12.02. Going into the market open, we are at about $11.50. We had a little bit of uprise to almost $11.85. We also got flushed down the rest of the day pretty much. The market as a whole was down today. Not only that, we were fighting against, obviously, hedges. It means it's how it is. It's every day, but also today we're fighting against the market as well. The market had a down day overall. We had the new PEC numbers coming up Friday. We also have the 10-year and 5-year treasury yields at almost at yearly highs right now, bringing down the market as well. And also fears in Europe about new shutdowns that could be lasting longer than they thought due to the pandemic. We did flush all the way down to about an hour before market closing. We got down to $10.37. We did get up, though. We did come up to $10.66. But since in after hours, again, after hours right now, the volume has not been great at all. We've had a lot of sell-offs in after hours. The same thing with the GME as well. Right now, we're down to $10.17. Do I think this is over for AMC? No, I don't think this is over for AMC. I think right now there's just a lot of fear in the market. You have a lot of people selling out as well, seeing these lower numbers. You have, the paper-handed Andes. They start selling out, even though they're in the red. And I don't know why they'd sell out in the red anyway, but it's just the way it is. You have the market manipulation. On top of that, you have the markets coming down in general right now due to fears from the pandemic over in Europe. And again, the PEC numbers coming out on Friday and things like that. So it's not looking good overall for the market, but I don't think this is like the red death market and this is over, right? The market isn't near as down as far as it was, a couple weeks ago on that Friday when it was very, a lot more down than it is right now. So I'm not really fearful. Again, I'm a buy and hodler, and I'm just going to buy and hodl. If you guys want to pull up these options, pull up options really quick. Options are still looking fairly bullish. We have 10,000 at $12 right here, almost 11,000 at $12. At $13, there's 14,874 at number on 13. At 14, you have 18,000. At 15, you have 13,500. At 16, you have 15,000 right here. At $20, you have 9,845 options right there. So again, the options are not looking bad. It's still looking very bullish. The charts are looking very bullish. We can pull this out for the 1 month chart. Come out, man. Just see where we are, really, right? We're coming from $5. Right now, we're at $10.17 in the aftermarket hours. Again, the market is falling down in general. I don't think this is over. And there's also bigger people coming out and saying, hey, look, this stock looks very squeezable. Also, the same people who called out GameStop as well. There's an article right here I'll read from Investor Place. It says AMC stock could head higher, 20% to 50% higher from here. AMC reported earnings and a liquidity statement for 2020 on March 10th. But management used most of the conference call to talk about the movie theater's outlook going forward. Based on 2 value models for AMC stock, I estimate that AMC is worth 7% to 37% more than current prices. One thing that the conference call made clear is that management thinks it will have just enough cash flow to last the end of the year with more than $1 billion of cash on hand. They also made it clear that the total of the shares outstanding is now 450.2 million. Therefore, as of today, intraday prices of a little more than $11 per share. The company has a market capitalization of just under $5 billion. Moreover, the company is burning about $140 million per month. Although they expect that dramatically decrease by Q4, they believe the current quarter will be slightly free cash flow positive. Therefore, assuming 6 months of $140 million in cash burn and 3 months of $100 million in cash burn until Q4, AMC will burn about $1.04 billion. Since this equals the total amount of liquidity it has now, I suspect the company will have to raise further capital. Management seemed to imply this conference call, although it may not come to via an equity raise. I suspect it'll either be a convertible preferred or a convertible debt capital raise. Either way, expect another $250 million to $400 million in capital raise. Two methods of value AMC Entertainment price sales models. The first is a price to sales model similar to what I used in my article AMC stock earlier in March. The table at the right shows the new asset of the price to sales model. It projects that 2021 will have a sales at an average of 45.8% of 2019. This time around, I believe that management forecasts were accurate, and I use 100% of the estimates. Part of the reason of this is why I heard during the conference call, here is what management said. And as you can see right here, he did the numbers right here. You can look at these numbers real quick. By our account, around 40 major movie titles will have already been completed or delayed from a 2020 release and will be released theatrically, hitting our big screen starting in May and beyond. Management used two different metaphors to describe this unique situation. The first was that our large number of planes circling LaGuardia Airport waiting to land. The second was of a new car dealer. AMC is in the new car business, and that since March 2020, we've had very few new cars shipped to our showrooms. Finally, now these new cars are on their way to us to sell them. We will in massive quantities. The table above shows that I value AMC stock between $8.35 and $9.81 per share for 2021 and 2022 sales forecast. This market cap model is based on 86% of the 2022 sales. I base this on the fact that the past 4 years to 2018, according to Morningstar, the average price of sales ratio was 65%. The bottom line is AMC stock's worth $9.08 on average and approximately 18% less than today. FCC model. The table on the right shows how I valued AMC stock using a free cash flow model. I estimated that the free cash flow based on 10% of cash flow from operations, CFFO assumption. For example, during the 2018 AMC made 10.6% in CFFO. I then deducted $100 million in CapEx in 2021 based on the statements made by management and raised that to $150 million in 2022. Then using a 3% FCF yield, I estimated AMC market value by dividing the forecast FCF by 3% each year after dividing by the number of shares with a 10% inflation in share count by 2022. The target price are $11.14 for 2021 and $24.47 for 2022. The average target price is $17.81 between the 2 years, or 61% above today's price. And obviously, she's right here, right? So 2022 estimate price has it at $24.47. So don't sell. Estimated 2021, $11.14, and an average of $17.81 plus 42.6%. A price target for AMC stock. The table on the right shows that I averaged the two models to derive a final target value for AMC stock. For example, the average of the two models is $9.74 for 2021 and $17.14 for 2022. The latter is 54% above today's price. The average target is $13.44 between the two, or 21% potential upside. Therefore, we can say that the upside of AMC stock in terms of fair value, somewhere between $13.44 and $17.54. So this right here is a really good model, a really good base model off of around fair value, right? In 2022, he's saying for the FCC model, it's saying $24.47. And again, we've been saying this for a while. I thought around like $20 without a squeeze, right? Somewhere around in there, 18 to 20, 22 bucks. So again, why even sell at that price, right? There was also a new study coming out from S3 Partners, which is a fintech company providing reporting data and analytic solutions for better outcomes in investment processes, risk management, and counterparty relationships. Well, they made it S3. They created a squeeze score, a new multiple factor analytic to show short squeezes. Bring us up real quick on the Discord. We want to bring this up real quick. You can tell right here again on Discord where it says Gareth Brano S3, which first identified the GameStop squeeze now points to possible squeezes in AMC, Viacom, and Discovery. Notice AMC's right there. Another strong indicator that AMC has potential to squeeze. Hence the reason why I'm not going to give up on it. Again, more people are coming out and saying, hey, look, this has potential to squeeze. Does that mean it's going to squeeze? No, it doesn't mean it's going to squeeze, right? Doesn't mean it's going to go sky high. But at $10, I'm not going to sell the stock. I didn't sell the stock at $14, so I'm not going to sell at $10 just because I know I can sell on it and make money in the long run no matter what. Because I do think within the year or whatever, after recovery and stuff like that, I think the stock could be pushing up to $20. Just like that guy's statistics showed. I've ran these models myself with the FCFs. And I think that is possible. Does that mean it's going to happen? No, again, I'm just a nerd on the internet. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you guys are doing your own D&D. But there's multiple people coming out now saying the same thing, doing lots of analytics to come to these price points. Yes, AMC didn't have a great day today. The whole market didn't have a great day today. For the most part, there was definitely some stocks out there. I know somebody in the comment section like, well, Jason, I tell you what, my stock did so good today. So not every stock. Well, you know what? I don't care. A lot of stocks today had bad days, not just the AMC thing. So don't be stupid. I had stocks do decent today too, right? Oracle did pretty well for me today, right? Oracle did pretty well for me today. Not every stock did bad. I get it. But you can see a bunch of stocks in here had bad days. It happens. The market was bad overall today. What can you do about it? Nothing. All you do is buy and hold. Red days you buy, green days you fly. Done me very well over the years. All right? When the market's fearful, that's when you want to get in. The way I say, no matter what stock it is, whether it's your AMC stocks or whatever stock, the market's fearful, you buy in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like button below. Make sure you guys hit that sub button below. Also, if you guys want to join the community over in Discord, make sure you guys go down there and click on the Discord link. Join the community. I'd love to have you guys. Over 1,000 of us are in Discord. We talk about stocks and other things. Also, there's a link down below for Patreon. If you guys want to get in on the plays earlier than anybody else, and then also on some Patreon plays, make sure you guys hit the Patreon link. Come over and join Patreon. Link your Discord to Patreon. And hey, get your new role in Discord and also be in the Discord, Patreon part of Discord. Appreciate you guys watching this video to the end. And I'll see you guys on the next one.